Today we're going to do something that customers have asked me to do, is to show an example of cutting up whole chickens. Many people today don't know what to do with a whole chicken. When I was a kid, everybody knew how to cut them up. But here's an example of what you can do with one if you buy a whole chicken, or if in a meat department you want to make additional money, you can cut these up for the customer and put out a cut-up fryer. So you can see the breast there, the wings, the legs. We're going to turn it over on its breast and start with the wings. And as you do this, I'm going to use a 6-inch boning knife, but you can see right there that there's a joint where that wing comes apart. You want to come over and cut right there at that joint again. You don't want to get down into that breast meat, but you just want the wing meat going with the wing. And I'm traying this up as I go. So I've put the 2 wings in there. Normally there would be giblets in these that you'd have to pull out and put in the bottom of the tray, but these are wogs. They're without giblets. So you cut that skin where the leg and thigh meet the breast and pop that bone out. Take your knife and go clear down to the backbone and follow that backbone around. And then once you've got that leg and thigh combo off of there, see that line there? If you cut right in there, you're going to be able to separate that at the joint. So I put that in there, take the thigh, roll it up, put it on top there, go to your other side, cut that skin, take a hold of the leg down at the bottom, pop that out, get right on that backbone and follow it around. Then you take and separate those right where that line was again, where it bends. Lay it in there. Now we're going to take the back out. We're going to take the knife and we're going to go straight through here. I'm holding on to the tail here at the top. I'm going to take and come up. And then I'm going to go on each side of the back, right next to the back, close. And then I'm going to cut that out. Then I'm going to take my knife and cut through that back. The back will go in the bottom of the tray. Then we're going to take that breast, and if you take the part of your knife up here that you don't cut with, use it to push down into that bone, and you can cut that breast in two. And lay the breast on top. So you've got a whole fryer that's been cut up. And so you can charge an additional price for that in a store. Or at home, at least you know how to do it. I'm going to do another one here, same way, just so you can see it one more time because this is pretty quick. And you have to be quality control. Notice there's a feather there. Take a hold of it, get rid of it, throw it away. Don't leave that. If you're selling these, you don't want to leave that for your customer. They don't want to have to pluck the chicken after they get it home. So I've cut the wing off right there at the joint. Don't get down into the breast meat. Turn it over. Just cut that skin right there. Pop the thigh loose from the backbone. Follow the backbone around. And then split that right at that seam. Again, popped it out, followed it along the backbone, split the leg from the thigh. Take the tail, put your finger right under there, stick your knife all the way through, and then follow the backbone down with your knife. And then take, and you can break that and cut right through it. Lay the back in the bottom there, take your breast, open it up, and lay it right on that bone, split the breast, and that's how we cut up a chicken.